What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Christmas Mickey Mouse. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to stretch this out towards the side and then back up. Let's fill the center of the nose in black. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a fold. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then bend that back down. And then we want to tuck the eyes in behind that fold. So leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a large oval going up towards the top of the eye, come around the side, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, come around, and then back in. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from the side of the nose, we're going to go all the way up towards the side. Let's draw the mouth. We're going to come down, across, and then up. Let's add a fold across the corners of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth. So we're going to step in, curve this down, around, and then back up. And we'll place the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left, going up. I'm going to add a fold, step back, curve the top, and then back down. Let's fill the top of the mouth in black. Now I want to trace the mouth along the bottom, starting on the left, we come down toward the lip, and bend that up. Now from the bottom of the eyes, let's move out and draw in the cheeks. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to go around the corner of the mouth, come down, just tuck that in underneath the lip. Let's line this up on the right, going around the mouth, coming down, and then in. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to go up above the eyes, go across, and then down. Let's round out the head, and then pull that in on top of the cheeks. From the top of the cheeks, we're going to add that fold, going out around the eye, and then up. Then let's add that point in the center, coming down and in, and then back up. Let's fill that center point in black. Also going to fill the side of the head in black. Now with the head complete, let's draw the outside edge of the hat brim. From the top left side, we're going to step down, curves around. It's going to follow the curve of the hat, going across, down towards the right, and I'll tuck that in. Let's add in those ears. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to draw a large circle, going all the way around, come down the side, and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around, come down, and then back in. Now in between the ears, we're going to add a curve for the top of the hat. We're going to go up in the middle, and then bend that back down. And I want to follow this curve along the bottom of the ear, come down and then out, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's add the ball across the bottom. And then I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the ears. Now we're going to finish off by adding a scarf across the neck. Starting from the left side, let's add a fold, going out and then in. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to tuck the bottom in underneath, going all the way around. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Christmas Mickey Mouse. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.